When you think about farming, what's the first image that comes to your mind? A tractor? A few workers? Long, tiring days under the sun? Imagine you're relaxing at home and suddenly a friend says, "Listen, you're not going to believe what's happening in farming on the other side of the world." What would you expect them to say? A new tool? A slightly faster machine? No. What's happening is far bigger than that. Because in China, farming doesn't resemble anything you've ever imagined. What if robots were caring for animals with gentle precision? What if enormous fields were being managed by completely autonomous fleets that never need a driver? And what if AI could spot a crop problem before a human eye could even detect a change? Not in a few years, but happening right now. If China is already using these next-generation machines today, what does that mean for the future of global farming, and how far behind is the rest of the world? In this video, we're counting down the 8 most jaw-dropping Chinese agricultural machines that are already reshaping how food is produced, and when you reach number 1, you'll rethink everything you thought you knew about agriculture. Number 8. Automatic chicken collecting robot. What if the job every poultry worker dreads, harvesting birds, suddenly became faster, cleaner, and way less painful? That's exactly what this machine delivers. This is the automatic chicken collecting robot, and for poultry farmers, it's nothing short of a mechanical miracle. Imagine the sheer scale of modern industrial farming. You might have 50,000 birds that need to be collected in a single day. That gargantuan task traditionally requires dozens of workers operating in grueling shifts, often leading to stressed-out birds and inconsistent handling. Enter this mechanical marvel. Models like the impressive BJC55 series are transforming this process from a human grind into a gentle, hyper-efficient operation. This massive machine doesn't just scoop. It uses a controlled suction system to carefully lift and transport up to an astonishing 8,000 to 10,000 chickens per hour. How does it manage that speed without causing harm? It's all about precision engineering. The birds are gently pulled into pneumatic tubes and transported directly into the loading containers. Crucially integrated sensors are constantly at work, automatically weighing and detecting the size of each chicken, allowing the system to adjust the suction pressure in real time. This sophisticated control ensures the well-being of the bird throughout the process. The result is profound. This system has been shown to reduce bird stress by as much as 70% compared to manual collection methods. That's not just an animal welfare win. It directly translates to higher quality meat and a healthier final product. One of these mechanical beasts can effectively replace the round-the-clock effort of up to 40 human workers. This is efficiency at a staggering new scale. Number 7. The AI agricultural swarm. We leave the barns and take to the skies with a machine that has exalted crop care to an entirely new level of surgical precision. This is the agricultural drone for intelligent fumigation, and it is far more than just a big sprayer with wings. This Chinese flying beast is a combination of a mobile weather station, a high-tech analysis lab, and a pinpoint-accurate applicator all rolled into one sleek package. Did you know that traditional methods of spraying pesticides and fertilizers often waste up to 60% of the product? The blanket approach sprays everything regardless of need, leading to pollution resistance and huge cost overruns. This super drone has the solution. It utilizes advanced artificial intelligence and multiple spectral sensors to map every single inch of a farm field. It can identify pests, spot early signs of disease, and detect nutritional deficiencies all before these issues are even visible to the human eye. The moment the problem is identified, the drone's variable spraying system kicks in. It automatically adjusts the type and amount of chemical or fertilizer needed for that specific square foot of the crop. Equipped with a hefty 50-liter tank, these machines can cover up to 25 hectares, over 60 acres, on a single charge, flying at impressive speeds of 10 meters per second. But the real game changer is their ability to work in swarms. Multiple drones automatically coordinate their flight paths, communicating with each other to cover vast territories with perfect synchronized precision. It looks like an aerial choreography, and it's a stunning display of integrated automation that maximizes coverage while minimizing waste. This is smart, sustainable farming from the sky. Number 6. The AI fruit and vegetable harvesting robot. The 6th spot on our list is occupied by a machine that solves one of agriculture's oldest paradoxes: how to achieve robotic efficiency without sacrificing the gentle touch needed for delicate produce. This is the fruit and vegetable harvesting robot with AI, and it achieves a level of precision that even an experienced human picker would struggle to match. Think about picking a piece of fruit. You assess the color, test the firmness, and gently twist. How can a machine replicate that complex sensory process? This robot employs advanced artificial vision combined with spectral cameras. These cameras don't just see color. They analyze the texture and firmness of each fruit in mere milliseconds. Its AI system has been meticulously trained on millions of data points, allowing it to recognize and correctly evaluate over 200 different varieties of fruits and vegetables. The harvesting arms themselves are a marvel of subtle engineering. They are fitted with hypersensitive pressure sensors that apply the exact amount of force needed to detach the fruit without causing a single bruise. This robot can select and collect a perfect apple every 7 seconds, operating for 20 hours a day without error or fatigue. In real-world tests, this robot has demonstrated a 95% accuracy rate in selecting only optimally ripe fruits, consistently outperforming human pickers whose performance can vary wildly throughout a long day. Even more remarkable is its capacity for continuous improvement. The machine constantly learns from every harvest, optimizing its speed and precision with each cycle. It's the ultimate delicate touch, delivered by a cold, calculating machine. Number 5. The intelligent cotton harvester. What machine can change the game for millions of cotton growers? The Yuanfeng intelligent cotton harvester. Cotton is notoriously difficult to mechanize because of its delicacy. A rough harvest can instantly damage the fiber quality, costing growers huge sums. But this immense mechanical beast not only picks the cotton, it simultaneously processes, classifies, and bales it in one single fluid pass through the field. Chinese engineers solved the delicacy problem by creating a collection system that integrates gentle suction with carefully rotating brushes and sophisticated humidity sensors, all designed to preserve the maximum quality of the fiber. Here's the truly innovative part. This machine can differentiate between premium quality cotton and lesser or defective fibers while it's picking them. Its optical sensors analyze each strand, automatically separating and classifying the cotton based on its length, strength, and purity. With an incredible daily collection capacity of 15 tons, this single machine does the work of approximately 200 manual laborers. Its integrated GPS navigation ensures optimized routes across even the largest fields, minimizing downtime. And in a groundbreaking move, it can operate effectively in challenging conditions, automatically adjusting its speed and pressure based on ambient humidity to protect the cotton quality, even during difficult weather. It's the ultimate high-volume, high-quality processor on wheels. Number 4. The autonomous robot farm helper. This compact, powerful robot is like the farmer's ultimate assistant, designed to handle many tasks automatically. It can plant seeds, water crops precisely, and check plant health all on its own, working around the clock without needing breaks. Thanks to its modular design, the robot can switch between tools for different jobs, such as planting or spraying, all controlled by smart AI. Using sensors and GPS, it efficiently manages the farm-saving resources like water and fertilizer, and improving productivity by doing repetitive tasks with great accuracy. It even knows when it needs to recharge itself and adapts to rough terrain. While it doesn't remember every plant's history in detail, it uses collected data to optimize care for the whole field, making farming smarter and easier for farmers. Number 3. The AI Precision Livestock Feeder. We've made it to the top 3. And our bronze medal goes to a machine that is optimizing one of the most expensive aspects of modern animal husbandry. This is the artificial animal feeder, an autonomous robot that has fundamentally changed how livestock are fed in China and is set to do so worldwide. Did you know that feed costs account for roughly 70% of the total operating costs on a livestock farm? Even minor inefficiencies in mixing or distribution can cost a farm hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. This robotic feeder uses advanced AI algorithms to calculate the perfect diet for every group of animals, constantly updating based on their age, weight, health status, and desired output, like milk or meat production. The system can handle up to 15 different types of feed simultaneously, mixing them in exact, gram-precise proportions. It's an on-site, mobile nutritionist. Its sensors weigh every ingredient with extreme accuracy, creating personalized, balanced rations that maximize the health and production of the animals. Perhaps the most surprising feature is its adaptive intelligence. If the robot detects that a particular group of animals isn't eating well, it can automatically adjust the feed formulation, for example, making it more palatable or changing the ratio of nutrients to encourage better consumption. It also constantly monitors ingredient quality, automatically rejecting any feed that shows signs of spoilage. Working entirely autonomously for weeks at a time, a single unit can manage the feeding for up to 500 animals. Ranchers using this tech have reported a 25% increase in milk production and a substantial 40% reduction in wasted feed. It's the smart, cost-saving revolution in the barnyard. Number 2. The automated and intelligent poultry farm ecosystem. What kind of machine isn't really a machine at all, but an entire living, breathing ecosystem? The automated and intelligent poultry farm does exactly that, running massive facilities with millions of birds and barely any human help. This is the future of poultry production. Can you imagine a farm where every single chicken is individually monitored by artificial intelligence? This Chinese creation makes it reality. The system uses an interconnected network of thousands of sensors, high-resolution thermal cameras, and ultra-sensitive acoustic monitors to track the health, behavior, and overall well-being of every bird in real time. The climate control is hypersensitive, automatically adjusting temperature, humidity, and ventilation every single minute based on external conditions and the exact needs of the flock. Feeding is personalized by sector, water is constantly purified, and the egg collection is handled by robotic systems that classify and package based on size and quality. The true revolutionary power, however, lies in its predictive capability. The AI can detect potential disease outbreaks up to 72 hours before visible symptoms would appear in the birds. This early warning allows for targeted preventive treatments that can save millions of lives and prevent massive economic loss. The automated cleaning systems maintain a pristine, hyper-hygienic environment without the need for harsh chemicals. The results are staggering. Farms utilizing this fully integrated system report a 90% lower mortality rate compared to traditional farms, a 40% increase in egg or meat production, and a massive 60% reduction in operational costs. It's the ultimate sterile and optimized environment for food production. Number 1. Autonomous AI Precision Tractor Fleet. And now we reach the undisputed champion, the machine that is without a doubt the single most revolutionary piece of agricultural technology to emerge from China. This is the Intelligent Tractor for Precision Agriculture. This is a big tractor with a GPS unit and entirely autonomous vehicle that requires no driver, makes its own complex decisions, and can transform any field into an operation of absolute millimetric precision. This is the literal future of farming arriving today. How can a tractor operate without a human and be more efficient? It achieves this through a complex sensory array, millimetric precision, GPS laser sensors, 360-degree cameras, and an onboard AI system that allows it to navigate with an accuracy of just 2 centimeters. The genuine revolution is its real-time analysis capability. While it works, the super tractor is constantly scanning and mapping the soil beneath it, measuring humidity levels, nutrient density, and soil compaction on the fly. This torrent of data is processed instantly, allowing the tractor to adjust key parameters such as planting depth, the precise amount of fertilizer applied, and its speed meter by meter. It is customized care for every patch of earth. It can operate 24 hours a day, regardless of weather conditions. Its high-efficiency hybrid power system provides 20 hours of autonomy, and when the battery is low, it automatically drives itself to its charging station. But the most breathtaking spectacle is watching a coordinated fleet work. Multiple tractors communicate with one another, dynamically optimizing their routes and schedules in real time to avoid overlap and maximize coverage. In large-scale tests, these AI tractors have demonstrated a 50% increase in productivity, coupled with an astounding 70% reduction in fuel consumption compared to traditional human-operated machines. Farmers who use them say it's like having the world's best, most meticulous operator working around the clock without ever needing a break or making a mistake. It is the perfect symbiosis of power and precision. What you've just witnessed is more than a list of impressive machines. It's a fundamental paradigm shift. These Chinese-developed technologies are living proof that the future of agriculture, a future that is more efficient, more sustainable, and far more productive, isn't a distant dream. It's here now, and it's operating on farms across the globe. While the world often debates the theoretical implications of artificial intelligence, engineers in China are applying it to the most critical foundational challenge facing humanity: how to feed a growing planet. Every one of these robots, drones, and AI systems represents a step toward dramatically lowering resource consumption, reducing waste, improving animal welfare, and ultimately producing higher quality food at a lower cost.